Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to pan in SketchUp. All right. It is pretty easy to pan in SketchUp. The first option here is to hold Shift on your keyboard and then use your mouse, left click and hold it to be able to pan. All right. Another option is by holding on Shift again on your keyboard, then your middle mouse, hold it. As you can see, you can freely pan. Another option to pan in here is just basically using this tool right here called the pan tool. All right. When you click on it, it will automatically show you the pan icon and you can freely pan in the SketchUp app. All right. Now to change motion or direction, just go ahead and hit on right click on your keyboard. For example, we're going to want to orbit. Use the orbit, click on it. And as you can see, we can freely orbit. All right. Another option here is by looking around. See, you can just look around in here. For example, we are on the person's perspective. You can just easily look around. All right. Another option is by walking. Just to drag your mouse up to move forward, down to move backwards, left to go left, and right to go right. Now zoom, you can just go ahead and hit on zoom right here, or just use your scroll wheel to zoom in and zoom out. Then hit on exit to use the default select tool. All right. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.